Hey, welcome everyone. Kevin Katros with Grand Design Lineage. I'm currently here in beautiful Huntington Beach, debuting our all-new Lineage LVT1 adventure van. Brand new in the market. We're really excited about this platform. Start off on the front with a beautiful Raptor style grille, exclusive with us. Rhino lined bumper to give it kind of that beefy, meaty off-road look. And then we upgrade the suspension system with a 2-inch lift, as well as Fox racing suspension and BF Goodrich KO2 tires. So feel free to take this all-wheel drive unit anywhere and everywhere that you can see fit. Nice big running boards down the side to give you ease of entry through there. Huge refrigerator, accessible from the outside or the inside. A lot of key feature buttons right here, your awning lights, your water pumps, and your lights. And then we've got an expandable table that moves inside or outside. So if you need a little extra seating area out here, 110 plug USB, USB-C ports here, as well as a potable water fill right here. We also Rhino lined the capsules that you can see on both the passenger and the driver's side. And these huge windows give you great visibility. And I'm gonna close this real quick. Nice big windows in this unit, right? So you've got a big window in this capsule here in your sliding glass door. Notice you've got a small window in this back bedroom area, so the door can be open as well as that window open. And then you've got 2 more windows, actually 3 more windows on the other side, 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the bathroom, and 1 in the seating area. This optional awning that we put on here is a solar panel, 720 watts of solar, if you pick that option. And the pop top is an option as well, right? So we build a pop top model as well as a non-pop top. There is solar on top of your pop top, right? So you got 300 watts of solar on the pop top plus 720 watts of solar on the awning if you option that in. And then if you don't get the pop top model, you get 400 watts of solar standard. This is a 48 volt system with 165 amp hour standard lithium battery, as well as an optional 165, so you can bring it to 330 watts. As we go towards the rear of the van, notice the Rhino line comes all the way around on this back bumper. Comes standard with a 6,700 pound hitch. Obviously, you're not gonna be able to pull 6,700 pounds. You're gonna have to deduct whatever gear and stuff you put in it. So we're looking at probably 4,000 to 4,500 pounds of actual towing capacity. And then this bed design, when the bed is down, you've got a 54 by 80 bed on the inside of here. The pop top is huge. That's going to give you an additional sleeping capacity of 47 by 76.5 inches. Sleeping for 4, you've got a nice exterior storage here that's also accessible from inside the van from the side, right, on magnets. When we fold this bed up, you can see how easy this is to do. So tons of storage in this van, guys and girls. Extra nice overhead storage capacity, as well as down below storage, and then a little pantry with a paper towel holder. And then a little storage area for your collapsible ladder for when you want to get up into that bunk area. One nice thing that we've done with this unit is the bunk area actually has air conditioning vented to it. 110s and USB ports up in there, as well as at your bed, at your dinette seat. Dinette is collapsible. It can come inside. Right now we've got it sitting outside. Drawer storage for your kitchen utensils, microwave oven, and then we give you a pot and pan drawer down below. This unit comes with the all-new InvisiCook porcelain countertop, right? And you can also see we've given you a nice spice drawer so you can shut that off. This is our all-new Aquahaven shower. This uses a tambour door to close this area off with a nice little rain shower up above, okay? I'm 6'3", 6'4"-ish, right? Plenty of room in here to take a shower. This mat comes out and there's linear drains down in there. You do have a cassette toilet in this model, 34 gallons of fresh water and 25 gallons of gray. Another nice feature that we put in this unit are headrest safes, so you can keep all your valuables locked away. Comes with a combination lock that you program. I love how the interior has a lot of recessed LED strip lights. And then when you're in this unit and that camber door is away, you've got plenty of area in this kitchen area to do what you got to do, right? All residential faucets, shark bite plumbing, which comes with a 25-year warranty, puck lights on the rear of the unit, right? And then if you don't option the pop top, the non-pop top version does come with a light bar. It's a power light bar, so you can turn it over when you're not using it, keep it clean, and then when you're using it, it flips over. Energy management system back here in the back, so you can keep track of all the volts and the watts that you're pulling, right? We do give you a spare tire, as well as a ladder to get up on there. And on the roof, there's also a storage pod for all your gear. And then this particular unit is gonna be plumbed for the Starlink Gen 3 Mini, right? All units will be plumbed that way. And it's got a 50-foot cord on it. So if you are compromised by trees or something, you can pull that down off of the roof and put it out on the ground. Excellent thoughtfulness from our product manager, Stefan. He's done a great job with this unit. Hot and cold water outside shower, so you can turn it off, unplug it, pack it away, put it back in, hot or cold running water, so you can spray off the sand when you come back from beautiful Huntington Beach, right? Cassette carrier is in here. Great gray dump valve is there, right? Nice big entry steps getting in and out of the unit. These windows are absolutely incredible. Plenty of cross circulation that you can get through there. 230-degree viewing area from your bunk up top. You can be out in the stars, in the desert, at the beach, and just get that really, really nice, clean, fresh air at night, right? This has got a split AC system, 20,000 BTUs of air conditioning. The AC is also routed into that bunk area, right? In our heat chamber testing, we had it 110 degrees. We got it down to 65 degrees inside the van. Excellent cooling properties. This is gonna work just like your house. The actual unit condenser is located down below, runs up to this unit here, and then down through the sidewalls for the venting. Palm Springs in the summertime, have a little fun, bring your golf clubs, go have some fun. Up front as well, we put dual pane acrylic window. Good visibility when you're in there. Most vans you feel like really tight or cramped. Plenty of space in this thing. And I'm a big guy, right? So I feel very comfortable going through this unit, using this unit, driving this unit. We're really excited about what this van's gonna bring to the market. We hope you feel the same way. Come on down to Mike Thompson's RV. They've got plenty of guys to talk to help you select the one that you think will be best for you.